We got it here, the size small, so we'll get a bill for you for tomorrow. I'll call you as soon as it's ready, okay?
Cool. Sounds good.
All right,
thanks,
brother.
man.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye. Have a good night. It's around 7:30 right now. I'm going to Markham Park mountain biking trails. Florida is supposedly the flattest state in the US. I read that yesterday. Could be true, I don't know. But apparently there's pretty good mountain biking here in Miami, and Markham Park is the best place. We're gonna go check it out, see what it's like. What exactly is it that I'm doing with this vlog? At least for me, Miami's always been kind of just a party destination. You know, I always just think of like, oh yeah, South Beach, clubbing, like yachts and, you know, crazy parties. That's kind of what I've always envisioned. And I think a lot of people also see Miami that way. So I want to, one, show a different side of Miami that people may not know about, that's kind of more adventurous, outdoorsy. It won't be all outdoors because there are other cool things to see in Miami as well, but that's gonna be the main premise of this series. Another factor is just I want to challenge myself to put out content on a consistent basis to help me with my editing skills, learning new techniques, and also just becoming more efficient in my personal workflow, and then practice my storytelling. A vlog is not going to be interesting unless you tell a good story, and so it's a challenge because you may have fun doing whatever you're doing. You could be doing something awesome like wakeboarding or paddleboarding at sunrise, but if you don't tell a good story, people aren't going to find it interesting. So I think this is a good way for me to practice my storytelling to move on to more, I guess, cinematic projects later on. Lastly, I want to get out and take advantage of being in Miami. You know, it's a new city for me, so I want to see everything that Miami has to offer. I want to do everything there is to do here. Mostly focused, you know, on the outdoors and action sports and adventure, getting out in nature especially, because that's, I think for me, that's when I'm happiest, and I kind of learned that about myself in Cape Town, which was pretty cool. The plan right now is to do it the whole year, so every week I'm gonna be putting out a new video, and yeah, I hope you and I both really see progress in my cinematography, my storytelling, my editing, and all aspects of my video creation. I hope you guys enjoy it. Cool. Just got to Markham Park mountain bike trails real quick before we fly, or I mean before we ride. We're gonna fly the drone. But first, hydrate. I need to find a good spot to take off. I don't want to take off in the grass because it's probably wet. And these tables are right under some trees. Look what I found. Hello! Sergio's gonna fly his drone now. That's probably been in some kid's mouth, but whatever. Pagar $25 por el año. Venga. So this is my friend slash my cousin's boyfriend, Ramses. I don't know how to say his name in English. Ramses. So there you go. We're going to go mountain biking here at Markham Park. And my cousin is off somewhere. Who knows? She'll be back. I'm editing right now, and I don't really know what the issue was. The SD card wasn't formatting for the drone, and I thought it was capturing because I was pressing record and then start, but Apparently I captured no footage, so I flew it for half an hour, which I guess is good practice. If you want to look at the glass half full, you know, which is what I strive to do. All right, back to the vlog. Precision landing, baby. Woo! This is my cousin, Tatiana. We are ready to go mountain biking. So it's time to switch to the GoPro. So we just finished here at Markham Park and it was pretty awesome. It was my first time mountain biking like that and it was pretty sweet.
He did awesome. Markham Park is one of the hardest trails in South Florida, and said he was capable of overcoming every black diamond on the trail, so good on you, man.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I did eat shit one time, which was pretty hilarious. I fell off a little hill into some bushes, rolled down a hill. It was a good time. Hopefully some GoPro footage came out. You will have seen that by now, but there's tons of mountain bike trails around the state and county parks here in Miami, so you'll be seeing a lot of them hopefully, because I'm gonna go get my bike later today. So yeah, I'm excited. It'll be pretty sweet. No better way to finish off a mountain bike ride than some Colombian food, so let's go do it. Perfect pour. We found the all-new Jeep Adventure Barbie. She's ready to go mudding in the Everglades. Go mudding! That meal was spectacular. I'm really full. I'm gonna go take a nap. But first, I'm gonna go pick up my new bike. Woo-hoo! This person is going so slow. Go faster! Damn, it's leaving no. We are at Big Wheel Bicycle, Big Wheel Bicycle, I think, shop. Came here last night, but it wasn't quite ready. Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, what's going on, man? It's all about sticking with it, repetition. You want to take it outside real quick? Or?
Yeah, if I could.
No, definitely.
I got a purple and pink bike. It was better than the other color scheme, that's for sure. I'm pretty pumped about this purchase. I think I'll be using it a lot and hopefully improving. I think we're gonna call it there. It's been a good day. Pretty tired. I'm gonna go take that nap now. All right, peace. Yeah, that was awesome. I'm really excited now to just do this for a whole year.